Bella B. You queen of the hill? Hi, Brady. What do you think? What do you think, Brady? Hi, Sadie. Come on, guys. Come on. What are you so mouthy for today? Hi, Harlow. Come on. Come on. Hi, handsome. Come on, Elko. Come on, Benny. Come here, handsome Benny. You're so handsome.
Benny's done so good today. He's been playing.
He's a doll.
He is. I love him. And I love Miss Bella too. She's such a good girl. You're a good boy, sister. Huh? You're a good boy.
Hi, Brady.
But
Hi, Brady.
oh, Ben. Benny's such a good
Samson.
Do you happen to know if Samson's name is Sam?
Elko! Hello, beautiful. No jumping. No jumping. Here. Are you really trying to, Mackie? No humping. Yeah. He was trying to sit on him and then he tried to hump him. Hello. Elko. Get out of the water bucket. It's for drinking, not for your paws, Sadie.
It's like, wait, I want to be in this.
Bella B.